Got so many eyelashes, y'all ain't gonna know what hit you, sis. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Eyelashes, eyelashes on eyelashes on eyelashes. But right now I have on falsies from like the individual lashes. You go to the lash lady and she put them on. You gotta lay like this and she gotta put the thing on your eye. You gotta, you're like, you done, sis? And she like, nah. That's the eyelashes I have them right now. But we're gonna try these ones out. And they're kind of sparse because I had them on for a long time. Don't be like me. Be better than me. And don't let your eyelashes last longer than a month. I'll make mine last. If I pay $100 for eyelashes, they gonna last. But these eyelashes were no more than $3 or $2 each pack. I got you, sis. I got you. I got you. If you want to see how I installed these lashes, stay tuned. And I will apply the links below. Make sure you like and subscribe this video, y'all. Stay tuned. These were $166 for the whole pack. Let me use that. So measure your eye to see what you want to clip off. This is like a little long for my eyelash. So you clip the end, don't clip the inside. You want to keep it as natural looking as possible. Y'all see these three? Like say this is 1. This is 2, this is 3. So I'll cut like right where the third one is at. So I can remember for when I cut the second one. Or you can just match them up after you cut them. Once again, I'm wearing these lashes. I'm gonna try this one on. But I'll link all 3 at the bottom of the description box. I learned the trick with this glue. It just gotta be a fresh glue. Like, people say, this is not lash glue. This is not lash glue. It's lash glue for me. It's lash glue for me. You do what you want at home. You do your duo. You do everything you want. But this is my lash glue. This is my lash glue for me. This is what I use. So this is what I do. I put it behind my hand. Make sure your hands are clean. Take your eyelash tweezers. See how I did that so easy? See that? The glue dries fast, so and you take it and do this. Give it, make it loose. Loose as a goose. And then I put it in the middle. Like I said, I have these falsies already. Place it right on top. It's not scary, y'all. It's not scary. And then you go in between with your tweezer and just make sure it's sitting on the skin. One trick is to do it with a little less on the brush first and then work your way up. Love them? Do you love them? I do. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel. This is the outcome of these lashes. Like I said, these eyelashes were very affordable, very cheap, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3.